Good afternoon! Welcome back. You've made it. A few videos deep now. Come on, matey. Get out the way. Terrible brakes. Easy, easy. So today, I'm going down the garage. I've got to fit a banner to Sleepy's car. I've got to set the printer up, and I'm going to show you how we cut the vinyl, and then I'm going to show you how to install it. It's going to be very, very technical, in depth. Not really, completely and utterly lying. So we made it alive.
Made it alive?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
We had to just drive down the road. Hit some VTACs.
Yeah, that's the good bit. Okay. How big do you want it?
Is it 800 by 400, eh?
400i?
No, 40 mil. 800 long. 40 mil on.
No, well, that's wrong.
It's like this.
150.
No!
Yeah, 800. Mine looks tiny. The one on my chaser was enormous for it.
Yeah, and that's
a road
40i.
Oh, is it?
40 mil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What, like the normal ones that we do? Is
Maybe.
that 40 mil I?
No,
140.
140. So if you want one, I don't know. I think you want gloss black. Told you, do my side skirt, alright?
Painted?
Look, it's down there. It's prepped and ready. No, I just sanded it all down, ready to be painted.
Tell everyone what you did.
Yeah, I hit a curb. Side on. Don't know how you do that.
Illegal.
What are you doing in here?
No,
Illegal.
Illegal?
Tyres, man. Illegal.
Mine?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? What do I mean? What do you mean? What do I mean?
He's on about the stretch, I think.
It's fine.
My brother would shaft you for that, mate.
Oh.
My brother.
He's
a cop. Yeah, my brother's a cop.
Oh shit, we got cops!
So we've got the vinyl in.
Do you want to measure it?
No, we've only got one spec.
We have one spec on these ones. So if it doesn't fit, I'm just going to have to have it.
Nah, it'll fit.
Alcohol.
I wish I had some more to bring, man. I really do.
It's alright, we got Monster. That's what we drink.
Right.
Monster pizza. Monster and pizza.
Oh, just went
Where's it cutting from?
It's free. Put it free because
That's a C. That's an O. Oh, but it's not going to be long enough.
where did you...
Stop! Stop!
how did you manage to do that?
What do you mean, me? I'll
I'll
just...
set the fucking thing up.
Yeah, but look, I put it there. But it's got fucking O's down here somewhere. What a waste.
Yeah,
That's exactly what I did. It's where it was.
That's fucked, yeah.
Fucking useless. See, we don't actually try and make this shit funny or even fucked up. It just happens all the time. All the time. He's a fuck up. He's a fuck up. I'm a fuck up. You're a fuck up.
Everybody is, man. That's the way of the world, isn't it, man?
This, as long as he didn't fuck this up. What a cracking noise.
I'm going to be deep enough for how long today, you know what I mean? Actually, sunstrip itself, the rod, but just deep enough, you know what I mean?
It's finished. Ooh, nice. Fuck's sake. Yep. Going wrong massively. This recording business is difficult with one hand. Oh, there we go. Nice. And that's how you make one. So that's it. One for sleeper and one spare, which we'll probably sell on Instagram. So that's it. You ready for your banner? So we're going to go and put it on the powerhouse now outside. What we got here then, pal?
Looking at it like that, it looks so skinny, doesn't it? It doesn't look like it's going to be deep enough.
It's the same height as his, but we're going to lose a bit on excess.
Yeah, I get that we're going to lose some.
So have a nice satin black. Lower this down for now, just going to pull some roll out of it.
They're going to make it easier then, yeah?
Yeah, it just helps.
Boy. Resting all this shit on the back of your car, man.
Shelfie.
You got plenty of fucking shells. Skanking out.
We're going to clean the glass. Let's show you what it is. So yeah, first of all we're going to clean the windscreen. So what I'll do now is I'll spray the windscreen. This is just a bit of fairy liquid and it helps stop the vinyl stick before you're ready for it. And now we'll go and get the vinyl. Okay, so we've got to make sure we've got the nice flat end, which is the one with the no writing on. Yeah. Just pull that. Just be careful because it will try and spin back on itself. Just pull it all the way. And put it as high as you can. So you see that round bit you've got? You want it as close to that corner as you can. So it's like just a couple of mil off it.
Yeah.
Have a look. Wipe the excess off.
See it, look.
Right there. Yeah, there'll be bubbles everywhere to start off with. Got to work them out. So that's it. Take your time around the corners, make sure all the water's out, and then let it dry. (15–20 minutes). Take your time. I find using Fairy washing up liquid helps. A little bit of grease doesn't go off. The water doesn't dry as quick, and that's how it ends up. The banner's already cut, so all we've got to do now is put it on. So we've let that dry off in the sun for a bit. We ran out of sun.
Ran out of fuel as well.
Ran out of fuel. We've got sleepy power. Okay, that'll do. So it's all dry now. Is that pretty nice? I know I've probably showed you this 4 times, but I'm not very good at recording, am I? So now what I'll do is I'll wet it again, and then we'll put the sticker on. Limited edition. Ooh-wee! I'm going to measure the windscreen, that side to this side. 4 in the centre. Yeah. 15, 45.
That's not centre, is it?
Yep.
I'm sure the aerial's got to be centre, surely. That can't be centred, can it?
And what you've just given me, go on. So you're going on the lot on the flat of this, yeah, after the bend.
I'm trying to get it in the same sort of spot that you are.
Yeah. So that's 1 metre and 90.
So it'll be 15, 45.
Yeah. So you're holding it in a different place now.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah. So that is centre now, then, isn't it? Yeah. That makes sense to me.
Yeah, because this was
But
one.
the-
This look.
but the
that,
thing is-
that was 1 metre 45.
Yeah. No, but the thing is, this is 100% centred. We
Yeah,
know that. You know
I
what I mean?
think
So
so.
if that's not, if that line look doesn't match up with that, it can't be centred. Can it?
See, look, we're all fucking idiots. And then, I'm going to do this now. Measure the sticker, which I know is 800. So you put it on the E, the edge of the E, and come down now. Oh, that's it. And this is all by eye now. Yeah. Right, so I want this pencil mark in the middle, yeah? Yeah, okay. That's about right.
My logic was to try and find some sort of way to cold air feed. You know what I mean? From the inside.
Yeah. use an N-spec vent. Makes sense, man. So that's it, it's on now. Just got to wait for it to dry out. I'm not putting a heat gun on it. What I might do is park it in the sun, let the sun dry it, and then we'll peel it off once the moisture's come out of it. So yeah, sun's been on it for a little bit now. It's all nice and dry. The gloss black with the satin black. I'm pretty happy with that. What do you reckon, Sleeps?
Fucking sweet, mate.
He's happy, I'm happy. There we go, another happy chappy. In bit mush.